Hello, good morning. Today we are going to see the demo for agriculture equipment rental booking. So here we have three roles in the project. One is the user is the farmer or any public, admin is the administrator who manages the app, and vendor is the equipment owners. Okay, so what vendor will do is vendor will be uploading the equipments, what are all the he has, and it will be approved from the admin side. So unless it is approved, so it will not be visible for the user side. And also, so once it is approved, here the vendor will be seeing the booking status, and he will be approving the booking request from the user side. So the user can able to, the farmer can able to search any equipments by means of city wise, area wise, address wise, or equipment wise, and he can able to book it easily. Okay, so this is the main objective of the app. So let's see how to start the project first. So to start the project, you have to open XAMPP control panel and open it. So once you open the XAMPP control panel, so here we are using two server, Apache and a MySQL server. So initially it will be in the stop state. So you have to click on the start Apache and start MySQL. Okay, once it is started, it will be in the green signal. MySQL is the backend database. So you can see the backend database by clicking on the admin button. So once you click this admin button, it will promote you to the web browser like this. So this is the backend database of our project. So in the left hand side, you can see your project DB, that is Agri rental. So if you select the database, you can able to view all the tables over here. So we are using 6 table. So if you select the user login table, you can able to see who are all registered to this app. Okay, so if you select the equipment tables, you can see what are all the equipments has been created from the database. So whatever you are creating over here, it will be it will be stored in the MySQL database. Okay, so next you have to start Android Studio. Okay, so once you open Android Studio, you will be having this window. So by default, your project will be imported in the left hand side. You can see the source code in the www folder. So once you expand it, you can able to view the source code. You can double click it and you can see the front end part. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap is the front end part for the project. You can view the front end details. The core Android codings will be available inside the JS folder. So if you select the JS folder, you can expand it. The Angular underscore files are the core Android coding. So the Angular underscore user data admin. So these are all the core Android coding. So you can double click it and you can able to view the Angular JavaScript coding for the Android part. Okay, so the backend will be the Angular JS and PHP. You can view the PHP in Notepad++. So you can go to the web folder and you can able to view the .php files. So these are all the SQL MySQL query files for the project. Okay, and all your project delivery, it is available in the Agri rental folder. So this is your source code delivery folder, and there will be a readme file will be there. So if you open it, we have given you the credential for the project. You can use this demo credential for the login, and you can also create n number of registration for user and rentals. Okay, so this is what the Android Studio part. Next, below the minimize button, there will be a device manager option will be there. So select this device manager, it will promote you to this option. So you have to select the Nexus One device and click on the run button. So already my emulator is running, so it is in the stop stage now. So you have to click on the play button, launch AVD emulator. So once you do that, your emulator will be getting started. So it will take some time, so you have to wait for 30 seconds or 20 seconds. So in the home page itself, you can see your app Agri rental. So you can click and open it. So once you click it, we have 3 modules. So first we will start with the vendor login. Okay, so if your computer is slow, you can still close the Android emulator. You can run XAMPP and emulator is enough. So first we will go with the vendor login. The vendor login, I have already registered with this login, rental@gmail.com. Password is test. Okay, so once you login as a vendor, you can able to view all these options. Okay, so okay, the main model is you can create your own equipment and you can able to update and delete the equipments, and you can see the booking request from the user side. You can approve or reject it. and you can view the feedback ratings from the user side. You can manage your my profile details. So if you want to edit your name, email ID, you can change your details in the my profile detail. So first we will start. Let's create a new equipment now. So go to the create equipment. It's loading because of the internet. So here you have to provide your equipment name, specification, cost per hour, cost per day, what is the model and manufacturer, and what is your address details like landmark, pin code and mobile number. So once you create it, it will be available in the update equipment details. So if you go to the update equipment details, so you can see previously we have added these details like the tractor, the specification is 50 HP, cost per hour, cost per day and model number, everything. Okay, so if you want to update it, so you can see the admin status is approved. So initially the status will be pending, the admin will be approve it. Okay, so you can make the equipment status is available. If it is unavailable, you can go to the update option, you can edit the mobile number, you can able to edit the price details or availability details. So you can change whether it is available or unavailable. So I will keep it available. So if it is unavailable, the user cannot find these equipments. So you can also update the Google map. So if you want to delete the equipment, you can delete it. So if you want to upload the image, so we have already updated the image. So if you want to upload the image, click on the image option and click on the browse. So select this Android SDK, go to the download option. So what you have to do is to upload the image in the emulator. You can't upload directly from your C colon or D colon. So what you have to do is select the image from your my computer and drag and drop to the emulator. So you have to select the file and drag and drop it. So here you can see the image. So you have to select it and upload it. So this is what you have to do it. So I am not uploading now, already it is uploaded. Okay, so this is how we have to create the equipments first. To update the Google map, click on the Google map. So you can update where you see your location of. If you want to change it, you can request us, we will update the. So for example, if your location is over here, so you can drag and drop the red bubble. So wherever the location you have, so you can so I'm just keeping near this Chennai Egmore. Okay, and update the geolocation over here and update geo. So automatically it will take the latitude and longitude from the current location. So this is the first module, and second module is once you create the equipments, you will be getting the booking from the user side. You can go to the new booking. So you can see I have just created a booking details from date and to date, and what is the time and what equipment it is. The status is initially it will be in the pending status. We can update the status. So once it is booked, you can make confirm it has a booking. If it is not booked, so you can reject it the status. So it is booked now. So it is on delivered or waiting list or pending, means you can complete the status. So I have changed the status to completed. So now it is completed. And you can view the feedback from the user side. You can click on the feedback and you can see the rating and the feedback over here. So this is what the module for the vendor. So let's go for the admin now. So the admin is admin@gmail.com, password is test. So you can see the admin will be approving the equipments, and you can able to view the user details. So go to the approve equipments. So initially the status will be in the pending status. So the admin will check whether the vendor is genuine or not, and he will be approving the equipments. So this is the part for the admin side. So let's go for the user side now. So user login is already I have registered a user. So if you want to register any user, you can register it. So login successful. So the user can able to do the 3 operation. You can manage your my profile. You can search the equipments over here. So you can search by area wise. You can search by equipment wise. Okay. So you can able to call now the vendor, and you can ask the inquiry. Once you click on the call now, it will promote you to the dialer option automatically. You can easily dial the vendor, and you can view the view ratings. So it will provide you the average rating of the user. So if it is 5 out of 5, it will show you 5. And you can able to book the option, and you can able to view the where it is located. You can click on the show map. So if you click the show map, it will automatically promote you to the web browser or Google map. It will show you the location of the shop. You can put the direction and reach it easily. So it will take some few seconds to load. Yeah, so this is the location we have kept near the Chennai Egmore. So the same location is updated over here. So I can still put the direction and reach the location over here. So if you want to book it, you can click on the booking option, and you can provide your, so if you want to book it, you can provide your name, date of birth, and the time, and the due date, and the time. So once you book it, you can see your status in your my status or my booking. You can see your status in the my booking. So you can see your status, whether it is available or unavailable, like that. Okay, so this is what the demo for the agriculture equipment rental app. So thank you so much.